Are you about to meet the love of your life under the snow moon? Or is your boss finally going to notice that extra mile you've been running? February 2026 is shifting the gears of the universe, and trust me, some of you are in for a wild ride. Let's see what the stars have planned for your specific sign. Hey, everyone, welcome back. We are diving deep into the celestial roadmap for February 2026. This month isn't just about Valentine's Day candy. We've got major planetary shifts that are going to demand your attention. Whether you're an ambitious Capricorn or a dreamy Pisces, I'm breaking down exactly how to navigate these cosmic vibes. Before we get to the good stuff, let's talk about the hurdles. This February, we're dealing with a bit of a cosmic tug-of-war. The challenge? Integration. Many of you will feel the pressure of new year, new me fading, replaced by the reality of hard work. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, you might feel a communication breakdown in your DMs. Earth signs, your finances might feel a bit stagnant. The general vibe is a midwinter reality check. It's that moment where we have to decide, are we chasing our dreams or just the idea of them? Watch out for unnecessary drama around the 12th. Mars is feeling spicy, and patience will be your best friend. Let's get specific. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. This month is your professional glow-up. Your energy is peaking, making it the perfect time to ask for that raise or launch that side hustle. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, love is the focus. If you're single, stop looking for your type and look for consistency. If you're coupled, it's time for a deep dive conversation. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. It's your season to shine, but don't overbook yourself. Your social battery is high, but your bank account needs a budget. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Intuition is your superpower this month. If a situationship feels off, it probably is. Trust your gut over your heart for once. Mark your calendars for the total lunar eclipse. This is the key moment of February 2026. Eclipses are like the universe's way of hitting the reset button. This event is going to act as a cosmic flashlight, exposing secrets and clearing out the clutter in your life. Expect sudden endings that lead to even better beginnings. It's high-octane energy, emotions will be raw, and breakthroughs will be massive. If you've been feeling stuck, this eclipse is the shove you've been waiting for. Don't resist the change. Lean into it. The universe is literally clearing the path for your 2026 goals. So, to recap, February is about facing the friction, trusting the eclipse to clear the path, and staying grounded in your specific sign strengths. You've got the tools, you've got the forecast, now you just need to execute. Which zodiac sign are you representing? Drop it in the comments and let me know if you're feeling the eclipse energy yet. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my deep dive into the March equinox. See you in the stars.